up, bitches? Welcome back to the pump room, and today I am officially declaring Hot Girl Summer open. It is a thing, or in mine and Ali's case, Hot Gay Summer.
Cut.
What?
Hot Gay Summer is not a thing. Stop making it a thing.
But what?
No, it won't be a thing.
Well, hello there, and welcome to my private beach. So, while I sit here in quarantine thinking about my life, today's show is going to be on a wine, a rosé wine. Not just any rosé wine. Basic Bitch Rosé, babes. That can go there. Okay, ready? Is it filming? Most basic rosés are made by pressing red grapes and removing the skins quickly so that you're left with a lovely pale pink wine. When it comes to food pairings and drinking rosé, oysters are great and so is pretty much all seafood. When it comes to Basic Bitch Rosé, they have a lovely strawberry and cherry notes, which we'll have a little.
Is it true that if it's a darker wine, it's sweeter?
No, this is a myth.
So are you going to sit there and be basic, or are we actually going to make something?
I guess we'll make something. I guess we'll yeah, we can do something.
That's it, I'm calling it. You've not made a cocktail in weeks.
Fine, we'll go bartender. Mic check, brightness barrel. So, sangria. This is a wine punch which originates in Spain. First things that probably come to mind are orange juice and red wine. We're not using red wine, we're going to be using Basic Bitch Rosé. So today we're going to be making a rosé sangria. So with the original recipe, usually a bit of orange juice, fresh fruit, and sometimes brandy as well, along with your red wine. So what we're going to be using today is we're going to be using Basic Bitch Rosé, some mint as a garnish, small oranges, a lemon, some strawberries, some sugar, put that there, some gin instead of brandy because it will go with it because it's a little bit lighter, and then maybe some sparkling water to see how I feel. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut our fruit up into lovely pieces to go in our jug. So first things first, you'll need your Bartle of all Bartles, your machete. So we're going to cut the lemon into lemon wheels because I like lemon wheels. So you cut up your lemon, and you've got about just a few lemon wheels there. There's the label. And we are going to put that straight in our jug. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Wow. So, lemon wheels in, and then we're going to cut little, that's same with tangerines, we're going to cut wheels out of them as well. Look at that colour. Absolutely fantastic colour. So these are a bit sweeter than your average orange, which will just be really nice. And because it's starting to be hot girl summer, this is going to work out quite well for us. So we're going to just whack in those wheels. I think we're just, yeah, that should be fine. Nice amount there. Clear your workspace again. And then we're going to cut up a load of strawberries because I love strawberries. Just cut the tops off. Probably going to use, I don't know, five strawberries. That'll be good. So now that you've cut your 5 strawberries, we're going to cut them in half. 2 at a time. There we go. Your lovely cut strawberries, and we're just going to whack those in here as well. Right, so you've got a nice mix of fruit, and then we'll probably put in a little bit of mint, so a few mint leaves. It's kind of like making a Pimm's, but with wine and not Pimm's. And then we're going to just put in a bit of caster sugar. The reason why we do this is, you know, obviously we want it to be a bit sweet, but we want that to bring out the fruit juices from the fruit. So what you do, let that sit in the jug, and what you're going to do is you're going to leave that for 20 minutes at room temperature, just so it kind of seeps into the fruit and sort of extracts all the lovely fruity goodness, and so it just can macerate for a bit. So we're going to leave that for 20 minutes, and then we're going to pour our liquids in. So that's where you're going to start.
20 minutes later.
Right, so now that we've let our sugar and fruit macerate for 20 minutes, as you can see, there's like a little bit of a liquid thing going on here. So the sugar has started to extract all the fruit juices. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add some of our gin. I'm going to be using the HMS Mary Rose gin. Lovely company, very local to us as well. Guy called Ben, rad dude.
That was as emotional as I hoped it would be.
So we are going to just put in 75 mils of gin, because you know what, I like my sangria boozy.
Oh yeah!
There we go. And then we're going to be adding, say, half a bottle of our Basic Bitch Rosé. Cool, so that's like a nice amount. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting this in the fridge for an hour. So when it comes to sangria, you can put it into a fridge for an hour or to 4 hours. No more than 4 hours and no less than an hour, because you need everything to mingle. So I'm going to give it a little stir. It's like it's a slightly awkward jug, but it looks cool. So just give it a nice little churn. There we go. Right. So now that that is all kind of a little bit mixed together, we are going to put it in the fridge. And we're going to sort of let the sugar dissolve a bit, mingle with like the wine and the fruit and everything, and the gin. So what we're going to have is we're going to have a really nice result in the end, where it's all kind of come together and merged as one and sat in its own juices. Sounds really gross. So let's do it.
One hour later.
Ooh, I ate cheese last night, man. Right, so now that we have our sangria out of the fridge, it's been sat there for an hour, what we're going to do is we're going to add some ice to it, because we want it like even colder, especially if you're serving it in the sun, you want it to stay nice and cold in the heat. And then we're going to top it up with some sparkling water. Give it a nice fizz. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous, babe. Even layered. But we are going to want to stir it. Poke around. So, now that's done, we're going to get our glass. Here we go, lovely little rocks glass. Topped it up. And then we're just going to pour a bit. Lovely. And then for a garnish, we're going to just use like a nice little mint sprig. A mint. And then we'll just whack a strawberry in it. Like summers are just lovely, fresh things. You can just do it on the side, yeah. And that is our lovely Basic Bitch Sangria. Let's give it a little bit of a try. That's delicious. Ali, do you want to come around and try some?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Right, so
Yeah, let's give it a try, man.
let's give it a try. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. It's like summer.
That's really nice. That's quite surprising. It's really good.
You can stay. Absolutely.
That's smashable.
Very smashable. In the description below, there is a link to Basic Bitch Rosé, where you can buy their wonderful range of the one rosé wine. Big thank you to Basic Bitch for letting us be the first people to talk about and review this product.
Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. We love it when you guys comment, and like we said, you'll see the ingredients for this drink down below in the description as well.
I'm single.
It's very much apparent.
Call me.
Don't call her. Someone's moving to London, gonna get some fanny. Oh, have you guys seen my flat in Old Street? Oh, I have wonderful decking. Wine's gone to your head.
Bye guys!
Bye.
Bye! Sexual.